What's up? Let's jump right in. Now, to open a URL with Swift 4 is actually quite easy. All you have to do is initialize a URL object with your URL string, pass that URL to the open function of the UI application class, and then iOS will pretty much handle opening that URL for you. That's pretty much what we're doing right here. Now, as a bonus tip, what I'll do is wrap this if statement inside a function so I don't have to litter my code base with this if statement all over the place. All I have to do is just simply call that one function and then iOS will open it for me. If you think this video helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and possibly leave a comment below recommending any other videos you would like me to see make in the future. Until then, see ya.